Hello, companions and tutor. My name is Cristian Huertas. I will present activity 4. In the card is run on, not run on. 1. Let's see who was speaking today. Run on. Marie's sister Louise sipping whiz. Run on. Frank's speaking about horse saddles. Run on. Ants, zebra, and dyke snack are unusual. Run on. Let's zigzag on the ice with Phillips skates. Run on. The candidate's speech sounded false. Run on. Do some saw Shakira's show. Run on. Her face showed a nice smile. Run on. Wendy's sister likes sauces. Roll on. The Cyclops side these cheese things. Roll on. Check. Review of head sounds and consonant vowel liaisons. I cooked a meal. I kissed a frog. I read a book. I solved a problem. I waited an hour. I opened a window. I stopped a while. I cheated a bit. I looked a light sad. I closed a door. Practiced those. Answer the following questions. Select true, false, or. I'm a Paint is a member of the Home Cultural Committee. True. I'm a write for the Daily Blur. False. Jack has previously been very critical of local performance. True. The Cultural Committee is an amateur organization. True. The ticket price of Aidas was to buy the singers. False. Jack has since Aidas is Milwaukee and Chicago. Question. Ima Pine is a long time resident of home. True. Jack Sokemgood has asked for his ticket money back. False. I'm a donut. Normally read the Daily Blur. False. The Cultural Committee believes the performance of Aida was very good. Questions. Check. Thank you, tutor. Good night.